So this is done in the terminal window here.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't see a terminal, what you do is you just go to view
Mm-hmm.
and then click terminal.
Okay.
That also closes it. So it says terminal right here. Make sure you're on this one
Okay.
because there's other things.
Mm.
Okay, so the first thing I think you should do is do PWD.
Mm.
That makes sure that you're in the correct directory in case you accidentally get moved from this directory.
Okay.
And you just want to make sure that it says this
What does PWD stand for?
print working directory.
Okay.
So it means like print like the directory you're currently in.
Okay.
So you want it to always say that for this one.
Mm-hmm.
For your other projects, it'll be something else. Okay, then once that's done, there's 3 steps. It's git add space dot. And what that does is it sets up all the files to be ready to be committed and merged.
Okay.
And then what you gotta do is git commit -m quotes. And then this is where you like just write a quick thing about like what you did in this change. So for this one, we added conversation history
Mm-hmm.
to open AI call.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then end quotes here.
Okay.
So so in between the quotes, you can say whatever you want to say.
Okay.
And then now it's ready to be, now it's all committed. And then there's one more thing that you have to do. The last thing is push it. And this is what pushes it to so git push. Cool. So now that's all done. And then what you can do to check to make sure, just come to GitHub and refresh it. And you'll see added conversation history to OpenAI call. That's correct.
Mm-hmm.
And then one of these will probably have something right here.
No.
Yeah.
Mm.
So that means that it went through.
Okay.
So that's done.
Okay. That's really good. So let's push it to Railway. Right? It should go to Railway directly, right?
Yeah. So now we can check Railway. Go to your dashboard. Is that the one?
I think it's this one. Yeah, Fabian. Building.
So yeah. So it automatically started building. Whenever there's a change here on GitHub,
It'll
it
automatically build.
Yeah.
Nice. So if I copy the repro now on Git, I make one for Ashita to upload her references, right?
I want to copy the Git repo. I just create a new one. Oh, I see. You want to make
Because all the functionality is what we want for Ashita, right? This is kind of a test case. We put in a huge document that Blackwell series, right? And it's all.
Okay, to be honest, I think when you're setting up a new Git repo,
Mhm.
you should just have me or Anil do it. Because it only takes like 20 minutes. And when you don't,
That mess it up.
you mess it up and then it's all messed up and it should be an easy thing.
Okay.
It's just the environment setup, so.
Yep. Okay, let's go to me. This is local, right?
Mhm. Also, this is changed now, so it runs on localhost 5003, so you don't have to. No,
But do I have to deactivate it?
No.
Okay. So this was what happening last time. It wasn't coming up.
Mhm.
Too big of a file.
No, the file isn't going on there.
I'm using the right URL, right? I think that's the case.
Yeah, look, the CPU is going up insanely high and the network is going up, so that's not good.
Not good?
Yeah. Why are you using two CPUs to load it with one computer? There's a max of 8 CPUs, right?
Mm-hmm,
That should be able to host like all multiple people.
right.
It's using two CPUs and I can't even load you, so that's really bad. Something happened. But you said this was happening before
Yep,
when
after Neil started updating
he added the embeddings.
the embeddings, yeah. Did we stop the recording?
Mhm.
Is that